Now let us see how to solve the equations with multiplication and division involved. So let us start with 10 times a is equals to 70. Here a is being multiplied with 10. So to remove this 10, how to find the value of a? What is the meaning of solving the equation? To solve the equation, we need the value of this a. So how to find the value of a? We will remove everything else from left hand side. So whatever would be on the right hand side would be the answer. So here along with a there is 10 in the left hand side. So we want to remove it. How to remove it? Dividing both sides by 10. Let us divide both sides by 10. So 10 into a divided by 10 is equals to 70 upon 10. So here this 10 and this 10 would cancel. A is equal to 70 upon 10. Or if you see from this step directly, this step 10 into a equal to 70. In cross multiplication, this 10 will go to the denominator upon 1 upon 1. So a equal to 70 upon 10 and a comes out to be 7. Now let us see how to solve the equation having division involved. B upon 5 equal to 6. To remove this 5 from denominator, let us multiplying both sides by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. So what do we get? B upon 5 into 5 is equals to 6 into 5. This 5 and this 5 would cancel. B is equal to 6 into 5 is equals to 30. Or we can say that this 5 has been cross multiplied in this way. Like this is how we can do cross multiplication. So B equal to 6 into 5 and B is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 we have got. So linear equations, power of variable is 1. One variable, only one variable is involved, and we have solved it. Addition, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let us have one question with combination of two. These all types of equations we have solved in class 7. So this is just a revision of that concept and your first exercise of this chapter. So let us take 10a plus 2 equal to 32. How to solve it? To solve it, first of all, this is a, 10a is one term. Let us remove this 2 first. This 10, first of all, removing things that are other than variable or constants. So how to remove this 2? 10a equal to 2 when transposed will become negative 2 over there, transposing 2 to right hand side. So 10a equal to 30, then a would be 30 upon 10 coming in denominator. Here it is 10 into a is equal to 30. Here is 1, here is 1. So 10 can be brought to the denominator. A equal to 30 upon 10. A is equal to 3. So in this way, we can solve the question. First of all, we have to remove this constant part. Things or the term in which a is not there. Then this term along with the 10 is there, we'll remove this 10 and straight away we'll get the value of a. So in this way, we can solve these linear equations in one variable. In next tutorials, we will study some applications of it, practical life examples. Then we will equate two equations as well. Suppose it is x plus 30 is equal to 22 minus x. Then what would be the answer? So these type of equations will come in the coming exercises. This was something about your first exercise that we have covered. In your second exercise, we will have applications of this topic. Now related to this, I will share one assignment with you. Do that assignment and be more clear about solving these linear equations in one variable. Thank you. That was all for today.